Okay, I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay, I'm ready. We're ready.
Okay, yep. Good.
I need a breath.
Okay, you get a breath, then you can swim back out. Let's see how far Pop is. Oh, he's way out there. Let's see. I'll watch you. I'll tape you swimming to Pop. Woo! That was a long swim. Huh? You got to get a good breath, yeah, because you get tired. Good job, Ava. That was great, baby.
Let me go where I can punch you.
Okay.
Punch way up here.
Today, because the water's down some. They need to fill our pool back up.
Ready, Pop? Let me swim. I'm going to swim way out there.
Okay.
Way.
Okay, way out there. I'm watching you. Good job. That was a long swim. Look how far you went. Woo! You got to get some breath. That's like a mermaid.
Huh?
That's like a mermaid, isn't it? Forget to do her arms. Good job. Great.